Shit for
Put more profit into the damn shit.
Exactly. I like it, man. I mean, I really like the hustle. I mean, literally. Like, this the first one I seen like this one. You know, I done seen some big shots, but I like y'all independent shop, though. I really do. I like it. Like, literally.
That's the one thing with these, huh? Red
novelties.
Heat for your feet. Y'all, that's where I'm at right now. I got to put a sign up outside. And they specialize in high-end Jordans, Yeezys, and different type of stuff, but most definitely Yeezys.
in the ones? Damn. Whoever it was desperate at the time.
They got rid of them.
Yeah. Got rid of him for 100 or something. People give me good deals. Like, y'all. Oh, hell no.
Hey, they networking, doing their thing in here, man. I like to network. Yeah, bro, you'll see me again, man. I'm gonna come back through here and mess with you. I got the card. All right, man. Y'all be blessed.